Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce PLASSON's universal slip repair couplers. These are very versatile fittings because they'll connect a wide range of pipe materials. As an example, we can go from polyethylene to PVC, or from galv to copper, or copper to copper. There's 6 fittings in the range and they're all PN16 rated. The fittings come in this packaging which has installation instructions. This is our smallest fitting in the range. It's used on pipe diameters from 14mm to 18mm, and we have 5 other fittings that go up to 64mm in diameter. Let's do an installation. We've got some damaged pipe here and we're going to use the coupler in a slip repair application. We'll make witness marks on the pipe so that we know that the damage is roughly in the centre of the fitting. And then we'll back off the nuts. And because there's no end stops inside this fitting, it can slide anywhere along the pipe surface. So we're going to locate it roughly there, and we're going to do the nuts up. We'll do the fitting up by hand, and then we'll use wrenches and do it up until there's a high resistance. With these fittings, no force is required to get the fitting on the pipe. That's because the O-ring is relaxed until you do the nut up. But that's why it's important you use wrenches to complete the installation. That was using the fitting as a slip repair coupler on the same pipe material. Now I'd like to show you the fitting used as a joiner on different pipe materials. So I've got some 25mm copper pipe here, and I need to join to galvanised pipe. First thing I do is make a witness mark on the pipe surface, so I know that the end of the pipe is roughly halfway inside the fitting. Undo the nut, insert like so, do the nut up by hand, and then simply, you'll have to excuse this, it's for the sake of this presentation, we install the pipe like so, and then do the nut up. And then we use wrenches to do the nut up so that there's a firm resistance. Now I'd like to show you what's inside the fitting. The grip ring here is made out of a hard plastic called acetal, and there are stainless steel teeth on the inside of the grip ring, and that enables it to bite into hard metallic surfaces. Also, this large O-ring, as the nut is done up, the O-ring is compressed onto the pipe surface and that creates the seal. And because the O-ring is quite large, it'll accommodate a wide range of pipe diameters. On the body of the fitting, we've got a captive O-ring, and so this fitting has a double sealing system. So if you'd like to know more about PLASSON fittings, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.